KFC-style fried chicken at home can be a fun culinary experiment. While I can't provide you with the exact KFC secret recipe, I can offer you a delicious homemade fried chicken recipe that comes close to the flavor and crunchiness of KFC chicken. Here's how to make it. Ingredients. For the chicken: 8 pieces of chicken mix of thighs, drumsticks, breasts, 2 cups buttermilk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper optional for heat, vegetable oil for frying. For the coating: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dry thyme, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, mix buttermilk, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl, ensuring they are fully coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results. 2. Prepare the coating. In another bowl, whisk together flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, dry thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, and baking powder. 3. Coat the chicken. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or a large, deep skillet over medium heat until it reaches 350-375 degrees F, 175-190 degrees C. Take each marinated chicken piece, allowing excess buttermilk to drip off, and coat it thoroughly with the flour mixture. Press the coating onto the chicken to make it adhere well. 4. Fry the chicken. Carefully place the coated chicken pieces into the hot oil, a few at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 12-15 minutes for smaller pieces like wings or drumsticks and 18-20 minutes for larger pieces like thighs or breasts, or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. 5. Drain and serve. Place the fried chicken on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Serve hot and crispy, optionally with your favorite dipping sauces, coleslaw, and biscuits. Enjoy your homemade fried chicken that captures the essence of KFC's famous recipe.